What is up, guys? Welcome on back to TK's Garage, and I'm about to get out of the house. We got stuff to do, but I don't know. I was thinking about maybe getting in the game full. Nah, I'm kidding. Anywho's, craziness has been ensuing. It's been absolute madness. Some of you guys may have been, checking out the socials here lately and been like, TK, what are you doing? And, having fun, living my best life, doing what we can do. So we're going to talk a little bit about that today and what you can plan to see here in the future. Take care of a couple of things before we go. Man, the Carvana video is doing really well. I appreciate you guys tapping in on that. I didn't think that was actually going to perform well, but it actually did. And that's a testament to you guys sharing that video and stuff. And today's more of a little bit of a vlog style. Kind of like talk about progress, where we're at on projects, what's going on, doing laundry, the basics. Oh wow, alcohol foul. Anywho's, all right, that's done, and now we can hit the road. For you guys would always be busting my balls about I don't show enough of my personal stuff. There you have it. Typical man move. We're just gonna put some water in it, and we'll get to it later. I know the ladies are gonna be like, yeah, typical man move for sure. I love the smart locks. It's definitely back to being hot in Vegas. You can always tell like when it's about to be fucking miserable out, meaning like hot as balls, and there's like no wind. We went from 50, 60 mile an hour winds to nothing. But we're here. We're going to take a look at a couple different vehicles to add to the vlog today. Like kind of a bonus video for y'all, and then we'll keep it moving. Yeah, guys, it is summertime, so stuff is starting to stack up, meaning cars. I've been looking for an old Mercedes like this for a while. And this one has the actual older headlights, not the ones from the mid to late 90s where this is all one solid thing. I like these ones better. What was mine? An E320, and it had the AMG wheels. She creaked and moaned because the struts were done. You want to talk about dry rotted tires, boy? Hold on. What the hell is going on here? Jesus Christ! Like, wow. That's some dry rotted tire right there, boy. Whew. Exhaust is hanging. So it was a 300, that's right. Mine was a 300E, yeah. And then they started coming out with they put the letter in front. E320, I believe, right? Am I right? I don't know. My Mercedes guys are gonna have to let me know. But I've been looking for one that has decent body lines and isn't all tore up. It's kind of like a little project. Before I was a BMW guy, I know, shocker, I was a Mercedes dude. I loved this car. It was like one of my favorite joints ever. Oh, that wood has seen better days. This interior is kind of done. At least the dashboard's not destroyed. But the ignition is gone. Like, it's a mess. This thing is not I mean, the good thing is, though, you probably could get this thing for next to nothing. Probably could get it for next to nothing for sure. All right, guys, and then I know, TK, another BMW with Amazon headlights. Yes, those are the Amazon headlights. I do like the yellow fog lights, so that's nice. Nice wheels on this, or they painted them nicely, But I feel bad for the Beamer. You'll see why here in a second. Oof. Like, it took a serious hit in the ass, and you can see it. And it was up high too, because look, the bumper, like, that's the thing. This is all body. Like, the body took the brunt of this damage. Nothing else. This is all body that took that smash. The bumper, I bet you the crash bar and everything else under here, the frame are probably just fine. But the body, done. Done. I mean, even with that kind of a hit, I mean, the lines aren't terrible. And I'm willing to bet, I bet you the door still opens and closes, right? Look at that. The line, you know, for real, you probably could put this on a praying machine and pull this out. You still would have to cut and put a new rear quarter on this with a new trunk lid, but it's just not worth fixing. I mean, you could buy a sorted one for what it would cost for you to buy the parts to fix this one. So, but yeah, I mean, it gives me a little confidence, because when you see the 3 Series like this take that kind of a hit, and I'm wondering what hit it. It looks like it's yellow. Could it be possible that somebody was like driving at a high rate of speed and then backed into something? I don't know. That's weird. Let me know in the comments what you guys think it was that caused this one, because whew, jeez. And yes, I looked at one of these a couple weeks ago. This is a different one, another Saturn. Believe it or not, mechanically, these things are pretty damn sound, man. There's a reason why you still see these things on the road. And they're all plastic, you know, like the side panels and stuff. That's why you don't see a rusted out Saturn. You know, they were made to last. You know, and they're kind of a hodgepodge of GM and Honda stuff. And just that powertrain is what keeps these things running forever. Skinny ass little tires. It's funny, those tires, like when I see these tires, I think like almost i3, but they're a little bigger. I mean, a little wider. You know, the i3s, I think, what, 20, the ones I had were 20 inches. So, yeah, she's clean though. Huh. Oh, wow, did you see that? All them farts just come flying up out of there. Just imagine. See, this is the only thing with cloth seats, though. Can you imagine how many times somebody farted in that seat? It's horrible. Whew. And it's a manual. Not bad. Huh. Well, with the tent and everything else, I mean, you have to tear that out, but it's just cool to see that it's in. Ooh, look at farts coming out again. Whew. Not bad. Oh. Well, there you have it, guys. There was only a couple I really wanted to look at for the vlog today. And that's pretty much it. Just those 3. I saw the BMW, and now I know why it's so cheap. I'm gonna buy it now because of that smash in the rear. And the Mercedes, seen better days. Love the impact socket that's just hanging out on the ground. But, you know, there are some deals. It is summertime. People are starting to clear out like the cars that are stuck under the trees, the donations and whatnot. There's some decent deals to be had. Guys should check it out. But anywho's, I'm taking my ass back to my car because I need my sunglasses. This is bright out here. And I have a special guest that's coming out to hang out today. Somebody that's trying to get into the auctions and whatnot. So I'm going to try to give them a little roundabout way of how it works and whatnot, and go from there so they can see it. And then, yeah. But anyways, I'll be busting out a few IAA videos for you guys today, so you guys will be seeing those throughout the week, getting back into doing more auction content. You guys have been telling me that you miss it, so I listen. We'll go back and get some of that done. But this was just a quick vlog video. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section down below. And yeah, I will catch you guys on the next one. Peace.